Hi, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm going to review the new Roomba that I purchased for my home. I've been wanting to try one of these for a long time. We have 2 cats and they generate a lot of fur and dust bunnies, and it's very hard to keep up on all the vacuuming. So I decided to purchase a Roomba through Amazon, and I got one specifically for pet hair. And in this video, I'll be reviewing my top 5 pros and top 5 cons of the Roomba. So stay tuned.
Let's start with the pros. The first one is that the Roomba 860 picks up fur and debris very well. As you'll see, there's some debris and fur in this area of the wooden floor. And you'll notice the Roomba goes over the carpet very easily. It doesn't get stuck on the edge. As it comes back around to make another pass, it's going to pick up that debris and that fur. The second pro is that it's fairly quiet. It's quieter than a standard vacuum. Let's take a listen for a few seconds. Pro number 3 is that the Roomba has a good-sized dirt bin. It's much larger than I thought it would be. To open the bin, you push upwards on the 2 yellow arrows near the top of this picture. Here's a close-up of the inside of the bin when it's open. As you can see from all the dirt, I've been getting good use out of it. To change the filter, you open the red cover on the bin, and then you pull up on the yellow tab that's near my thumb in this picture. Pro number 4 is the long cleaning time of approximately 75 minutes. You can set the Roomba to clean automatically, or you can also do a manual clean, and it will map the area that it cleans. That brings me to my 5th pro, which is that you can link to a cell phone app. You can name your Roomba, and in the following screenshots, I'll show you some of the features of the app. One of the handiest features of the app is that it will tell you when the Roomba needs attention. It will tell you when the bin is full, if the extractors need to be cleaned out, if it's stuck, and if it's finished its job successfully. Now let's move on to the cons. The Roomba base must be on a hard surface, not carpet, in order for it to charge. Con number 2 is that the Roomba does not climb back onto its base for recharge very well. It's supposed to return back to the base on auto clean, but mine had difficulty getting back onto it, even on a flat surface. Con number 3 is that the Roomba sometimes gets stuck under things, or even on top of things, so I would recommend setting the cleaning for when you will be at home. Here's an area in my master bedroom closet where the Roomba got stuck underneath the closet organizer. You can see the circular pattern it made on the carpet while it was stuck in that position. Con number 4 is that the Roomba learns and remembers the layout if the base remains in the same place. That might seem like a positive, but it's actually a con in a multi-storied house like mine, where you have to move the base around in order to make sure that all levels of your home are cleaned. In this clip, I'm showing you the path that the Roomba made in some carpeting in my home. You can see the circles where the Roomba turned to come back the other direction. That way you can tell the areas of your home that it's cleaned if they're carpeted. And the last con is you will still need to vacuum. Spots that the Roomba cannot access, such as between legs of chairs, tight corners where there's furniture in the way, or even furniture itself.
I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if you have a Roomba, and if so, how you like it, or if you're considering getting one. And if you did like the content, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the link down below. And I want to let you know I do post videos several times a week on how to creatively decorate and manage your home. Thanks for tuning in today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.